Hey kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore something really interesting and magical, our major internal organs. Do you know what internal organs are? They are the parts inside our body that we cannot see, but they do very important jobs every single day. They help us to think, breathe, digest food, pump blood, and remove waste. So let's take a fun trip inside our body and learn about these amazing organs one by one. The brain. Now, children, let's start with the brain. Can you point to where your brain is? Yes, it's inside your head, protected by your skull. Our brain is like the boss or computer of the body. It controls everything we do. When we walk, talk, smile, think, or even blink our eyes. It also helps us to remember things, learn new things, and solve problems. For example, when you see a ball coming towards you, your brain quickly tells your hands to catch it. Isn't it that amazing? So, children, to keep your brain healthy, always eat healthy food, get enough sleep, and keep learning something new every day. The heart. Next, let's talk about the heart. Place your hand on the left side of your chest. Can you feel something beating? Yes, that's your heart. The heart works like a pump, it sends blood all around the body. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every part of our body, to our eyes, hands, legs, and even our brain. The heart never stops working, not even when we are sleeping. So, to keep your heart healthy, we must exercise, eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and avoid junk food. The stomach. Now, let's move down to our stomach. What happens when we eat food? Yes, the food goes down through our food pipe and reaches the stomach. The stomach is like a food mixer inside our body. It mixes and churns the food with special juices called digestive juices. These juices help to break down the food into smaller, softer parts. So, the stomach's main job is to digest our food and prepare it for the next step. The intestines. After the stomach, the food moves into the intestines. Do you know we have two intestines, a small intestine and a large intestine? The small intestine takes in all the nutrients from the food. That's how our body gets energy to run, play, and grow. Then the large intestine removes the waste or the part of food that our body doesn't need. So, children, the intestines help us get all the goodness from food and throw away waste. The liver. Next comes our liver. It's the largest internal organ in our body and is found on the right side of our stomach. The liver has many important jobs. It helps to digest food by making a yellow juice called bile. It also cleans our blood and stores energy that our body can use later. We can say the liver is like a cleaning machine and an energy bank inside us. To keep it healthy, avoid eating too much oily food and always drink plenty of water. The kidneys. We have two kidneys shaped like beans at our lower back. The kidneys act like filters. They clean our blood by removing waste and extra water, which turns into urine. The kidneys also help keep the right balance of water and salts in our body. So, children, to keep your kidneys healthy, drink lots of clean water every day. The lungs. Now, take a deep breath in and out. Good. You just used your lungs. We have two lungs inside our chest. Their job is to help us breathe. When we breathe in, the lungs take in oxygen, and when we breathe out, they remove carbon dioxide. Oxygen helps our body get energy to work and play. That's why we should always breathe fresh air, avoid pollution, and practice deep breathing exercises. The bladder. Finally, let's talk about the bladder. The bladder is like a small storage bag inside our body. After the kidneys clean our blood, the urine travels to the bladder and stays there until we go to the washroom. When the bladder is full, it sends a signal to the brain, and that's when we know it's time to go. So, the bladder's job is to store and release urine from our body. So, children, today we learned about our major internal organs: the brain, heart, stomach, intestines, liver, kidneys, lungs, and bladder. Each one has a special job. The brain controls us, the heart pumps blood, the stomach and intestines digest food, the liver cleans and stores energy, the kidneys filter waste, the lungs help us breathe, and the bladder stores urine. All of them work together to keep our body healthy and strong. So remember, eat healthy food, drink water, exercise daily, sleep well, and stay happy. If you liked today's lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our channel for more fun learning videos. See you next time.